One sunny day in the forest, little brown squirrel comes out to play. Suddenly, a beautiful butterfly flies by.
Well, hello, butterfly. Wait for me.
The butterfly flutters gently.
Hello, little squirrel.
Hello. Where are you going?
I'm looking for sweet juice in the flowers. Do you want to go with us?
Yes, why yes.
Little squirrel laughs and runs after it. The squirrel runs and runs. Over the grass, over a stream, under the trees. The butterfly flies far away.
Oh no! Where am I? I'm lost. Mommy!
Little brown squirrel sits down by the roadside, feeling scared. Suddenly, Mr. Woodpecker comes.
Hello, little squirrel. Why are you here alone?
I followed a butterfly. I can't find my home.
Don't worry. I will help you.
The woodpecker flies down from above and lands beside little brown squirrel.
Come on, let's go home together. Follow me, little squirrel.
Little squirrel hops along. Little steps. Hop, hop, hop. They went through the forest to go back home. They see a little house. A little squirrel is so happy.
Mommy!
Mother squirrel runs and hugs her baby.
I'm so happy you are safe. Next time, don't go so far.
I'm so sorry, Mommy.
Thank you, Mr. Woodpecker. A gift for you. Thank you for helping my child.
You're welcome.
Home is the best place in the world.